Hello there, I'm Don here with a video showcase, the box and maybe the product itself of this Tenda Wireless Wireless USB Adapter model TWL541U. Compatible Wireless B 802.11b and Wireless G 802.11g. It supports 54 megabits per second. Wow, that's blazing fast. 2.4 gigahertz, Wi-Fi compatible, secure and stable. And transmission distance is up to 300 meters. Let's look at this. So, essentially, right. The CD driver. I think that's in Chinese. And it says 54 megabits per second wireless USB adapter, USB extension cable, extension cradle. Is it cradle? Cradle. Yeah. You quick installation guide, user manual, CD-ROM with manual drivers, and it's available with black, silver, and off-white. Minimum system requirements: 400 megahertz processor, 128 megabytes of RAM, a CD driver, available USB port, Windows Vista 98 SE, ME 2000 or XP. So this is not that old. Came out in the XP and Vista era, I guess. So it's a bit of an older. Let's just have a look at it. Pretty interesting. The showing of the other products they have. So let's go ahead and open this up. I've never opened this before. Okay, I've opened this before, but I forgot what's inside this. It's definitely been opened before and used, so the content is not exactly factory finished, shall we say. So there's a box inside the box, and that's where the USB adapter would be. It's a simple white box. And inside we have USB cradle itself, a user manual, and a fast installation guide. In all in Chinese in comparison to the front, which was half Chinese. We have user manual. So pretty much this is a pretty worthless product because of the lack of its actual product inside here. Thank you for watching.